The journey in a rickshaw through Dhaka's old town to the Sadarghat port is a bustling experience. Narrow alleys filled with vibrant markets and the constant honking of horns create a chaotic yet lively atmosphere. The port of Dhaka is a major river port on the Buriganga River in Dhaka, the capital and largest city of Bangladesh. The port is located in the southern part of the city. It is Bangladesh's busiest port in terms of passenger traffic. The Sadarghat means city wharf. It stands a little left in front of the Asan Manzil. Sadarghat is also the central point of the Buckland Bund. Originally, it was built as a place for landing of boats, launches and even ships coming to Dhaka from other places. Large vessels can no longer use it because of shoaling up of the riverbed entry and an overall downsizing of the capacity of the inland waterways. The contemporary polluted water of the Buriganga River has been a major challenge for Dhaka's health and hygiene. Once the lifeline of the Bangladeshi capital, the river is now one of the most polluted rivers in Bangladesh due to rampant dumping of industrial and human waste. In Sadarghat you can see any kind of vessel imaginable: car ferries, three-tiered passenger ferries, rowboats, cargo ships, and naukas, traditional wooden boats. To visit the Sadarghat, the best time is in the evening and early morning, as the big vessel leave the port in the evening hour and arrive in the early morning. This place has become one of the major tourist spots in this mentioned time. The shipyard in Sadarghat is one of the most fascinating photo locations in Dhaka. One big shipyard is located on the riverbank of the Buriganga River just opposite of the Sadarghat in Old Dhaka. The best way to reach the dockyard is to cross the Buriganga River at Sadarghat by using one of the numerous small wooden boats for just 5 taka. The dockyard is open for everyone and it is very easy to roam around. The shipyard provides docks and equipment mostly for repairing and maintaining big vessels. But the workers in the yard also break down old ships as well as build new ships from scratch. A stroll in the shipyard is always accompanied by the rhythmic and incessant sound of hammering. Countless workers equipped with a hammer get rid of the rust and old paint of the boat hulls. The constant buzz of activity on the yard includes metal cutting, welding and painting. But there are also other facilities like foundries for ship propellers and workplaces to maintain the ship engines. Many workers hammer without safety glasses and virtually nobody is wearing a helmet. Workers often paint the ship hull by using their hands and a rag instead of a proper brush. The hard-working people are always smiling, they are happy and they never complain. After all, the shipbuilding industry grows in Bangladesh and helps to secure industrial jobs. My next destination on my journey is Karwan Bazaar, the largest wholesale market in the city. Karwan Bazaar is not just a market, it's a vibrant hub of commerce and activity, where the pulse of Dhaka's economy beats strongest.